Hello and welcome back to Vyasa IAS CSAT course, lecture number 49. In this lecture, we will look at coding decoding because in this schedule, I have told you that two classes I will give you of coding and decoding. So, this is the second class for coding and decoding. Now, see, when we are doing coding and decoding, you might have already seen that in coding and decoding, there is nothing, no special concept. Only we have to use our reasoning and we get our answers. Okay. So it is just the reasoning that you have to do. Okay. It is just plain simple reasoning that we have to do. There is nothing else in coding and decoding. So let's start doing our question once more. Okay. So look at this question. It is saying if health is written as this code, then how will north be written? Okay, how will north be? Okay, guys, look at this question. It is saying if health is written as GSK ZDG, then how will north be written? Okay, how will north be written? This is the question that is been asked. So let us try to solve this. Now you see health. So you have HEALTH, health. This H is written as G, this E is written as S, this A is written as K, this L is written as Z, this T is written as D, and this H is written as G. Okay. So H to G, E to S, A to K, L to Z, T to A, H to G. Okay. So what I'll do, I will just write alphabets here. Okay. To find this, what is the relationship between all these, I will write alphabet here. Okay. M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, so these are basically your 26 alphabets: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. These are all yours 26 alphabet. Now let us try to find the relationship between this. Now H to G. So H is like eighth number and G is seventh number. Okay. E to S. E is what? E is fifth number and S is what? S is 19th number. Fine. A to K. A is one number. K is 11 number. Okay. L to Z. L is 12th number. Z is 26th number. I to D. Sorry, this is T. T is 20th number. D is 4th number. Okay. H to G. H is 8th number. G is 7th number. Okay. So, see what we are actually seeing here is that we are getting no particular sequence. Okay. This is -1, this is +14, this is +10. Okay, this is +14 again, this is minus of 16, and this is minus of 1. So no particular sequence here. Okay, no particular sequence here. So we are not directly getting this by this logic. Okay, so what I am trying to do here, basically I am taking this health and I'll flip this word. Okay, because I am getting no other logic, so what I'll do, I'll flip this word because I see that if I flip this word, so this H, if this corresponds to like G, and this E if this corresponds to D, and this A if this corresponds to Z, and L if this corresponds to K, and T if this corresponds to S, then H will correspond to G, then it will make sense. Okay, what sense it will make, I'll show you. Health. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll flip this word. So what will be the flip word? H here, T here, L here, A here, E here, H here. Okay, this is the flipped word. Now before H, G comes, or this H, let's say it's 8, so 8 minus 1 is 7, so 7 is G. Okay, similarly E is 5, 5 sorry, T, we have to take T. Okay, T is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. So 19 is S. So S is coming. Okay, now this is GS. Okay. Then L is what? L is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 is K. We write K. A is what? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, but we'll take 26, okay, because 1 reverse. So that becomes Z. E is what? 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. It will become D. And H is what? H is again 8, and 8 minus 1 is 7. So we get G here. Okay, so this is now the correct sequence. When we flip this word and then minus 1 to each of them, then we get G, S, K, D, Z, D, G. So this is what we want to do here. Okay, so we'll just do exactly this. Okay, we'll just do exactly this. I showed you this because directly we were not getting anything. So what we did, I saw something that was resembling that if I flip the word, I'll get something. Okay, so similarly, I did. Okay, then I take this north. Now what I will do? I will reverse this word. HTRON. Then this H minus 1. G. T minus 1. T is what? 20. 20 minus 1. 19, which is the 19th alphabet. Obviously S. Okay, R will become Q. O will become P. Sorry, O will become N. Okay, O will become N, and this is N. So N will obviously become M. So what does it becomes? Your north, your north. Okay, so just this T became what? T became obviously S. So G S Q N N. So G S Q N N. Okay, this is your answer. So this question is not that simple. It is just that when we do this and we did not get anything, then we are doing what? Then we are taking this word health, and then we are seeing that if we flip this, then something is like making sense here. Okay, so that is why we flipped this. What we did here, we just observed here. Okay, there is no special technique. We just observe, and our when we observed, it showed that if we flip this, we'll get some word. Okay, we'll get some word. So this is how we do this kind of question. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, now look at this. You have this breakthrough. Okay, now breakthrough, it is saying breakthrough. Okay, let's write breakthrough. Okay, we wrote this breakthrough. Now it is saying this breakthrough is coded as what? EA. Okay, EAOU. Okay, HRBR GHKT. Okay, GHKT. Fine. So let us try to understand what this is saying. Okay. So like you can see this BR is now EA. Okay, and EA is this one. Then this EA becomes OU. OU is this one. Okay, OU is this one. Then this KT becomes what? KT becomes HR. And you know HR is here. Then this HR becomes BR. So BR is here. Okay. And then this OU becomes GH. So GH is here. Okay, and then your GH becomes KT, so KT is here. Okay, so see, I see that something is flipping. Okay, they are flipping words and they are putting here and there. So let's find the logic of where the word is put. Okay, so you have this BR, you have this EA, you have this KT, you have this HR. Okay, you have this OU, and you have this GH. Fine, this is the sequence. Okay, now in place of BR, I am writing EA. Okay, in place of EA, I am writing OU. Okay, so the first placed, I replaced it with the second place. The second place, okay, this I'll name this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the second place, I replaced it with fifth place. Okay, first place I replaced with second place I replaced with fifth place. This KT's HR, again I am replacing the third place with fourth place. Okay, again I am replacing the third place with fourth place, and then HR. Okay, HR, that is fourth place, I am replacing with first place. Okay, fourth place I'm replacing with first place, and OU. OU is what? OU is fifth place, and that is equals to GH. Okay, and fifth place I'm replacing with sixth place, and this GH I'm replacing it with third place. Okay, I'm replacing this with third place. Fine. So see, we are not getting any particular logic here. Okay. Why? Because 1 to 2 it became, and then 2 to 5 it became, and then 3 to 4 it became. Okay. And then 4 to 1 it became, 5 to 6 it became, and 6 to 3 it became. What we'll do, we'll use this word distribution. So distribution. So we have exactly the same number of like words. Now what I will do, I will replace this by second. So I'll get st here. This second, okay, I'll replace it with fifth. So I'll get ti here. So these two can be the possible answers. Now this ri. So this is third. I will replace this with fourth one. So what is fourth one? Bu. Again, both of these are still in the race. Now this TI, this is 5, 6. Okay. This I will replace with ON. So I get ON here. So I get ON here. Okay, so I get ON here. So see, basically I am getting, now my answer is clear. Okay, now my answer is clear. What? That uh, distribution. Okay, distribution. Okay, distribution. I'll get what? Ti is 5 to 6, and this ON. Okay, this one I am going to replace with this third one. So this becomes BU. Okay, this becomes BU. So now my word is STTIBU. Sorry, this ON. Sorry. Um, there is a little bit of mistake here. Okay, so this 3 to 4 I am replacing this with bu. Okay, and now 4 to 1, so bu will now be replaced by di. Okay, bu will now be replaced by di. So we have already find our correct answer here. So I did a silly mistake here. Please, you all don't do this. Okay, see what happened here. After doing ri, I missed doing b2. Okay, so I replace this Ri by Bu, then Bu also I have to replace by Di. So then here only my word is like I have found my word STTIBUDI. Okay, BUDI. Okay, and then this fifth one I have to replace with this sixth one. So I'll write ON here, and this ON. Okay, this have to be replaced by this third one because 6 to 3. So that will become RI. Okay, that will become ri. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. So it's very simple. What I did, I used this word breakthrough. It was very observant to me that this br became ea. This ea also I find it here. This kt also I find it somewhere. Okay, whatever has been written for kt, that is hr. For hr they are writing br, and for ou they are writing what? They are writing gh. Okay, gh. And for gh they are writing kt. So they are jumbling words. Okay, so they are jumbling words. I have to just write the sequence very carefully, and I have to write the answer. There was a little silly mistake on my part, but see what happened here, because the answer was not showing, and I have to check that answer. Okay, so that whatever I am writing is correct. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, this is how you do it. Now let's move on to the next question. I hope this is clear to everybody. Now this is saying what? In a certain language, beat means Y V Z G. Okay, in a certain language, beat means Y V Z G. Okay, so then what will be the code of mild? Okay, what will be the code of mild? Okay, so now this B became Y. So A B Okay, and from here ZY. So this became Y. Okay, then E became what? V. Okay, so Z, Y, X, W, V, U. Okay, and A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so B corresponded to Y here. A will correspond to Z here. D will correspond to what? D will correspond to, sorry, we have E. E will correspond to what? E will correspond to V here. Okay, E will correspond to V here. Okay, and D will correspond to what? D will correspond to obviously W here. Okay, and C will correspond to X here. Okay, C will correspond to X here. So this B became Y, E became V, uh, and A became Z, and T became what? Now T is 20 obviously. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Now this T, they are saying it is G. Okay. This T, they are saying it is G. T is 20th one. Okay. And from the last, if we see, it is which one? 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, and this is 20th. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th one. Okay, so from the start, which is 7th one, obviously your this G, okay, this G is 7th one, so T became G. Okay, T became G. Now we have to like just find mild. Okay, just find mild. So M is which one? M, if you see, this K is I think 11, this will be 12, and this will be 13. Okay, so now from here, which is 13th one, so 26 minus 13, if you will, which one you will get? Okay, so this is 8th, this is 9th, this is 10th, this is 11th, this is 12th, and this is 13th. Okay, so now you know O. Now one of these will be your answer. One of these will be your answer. Then let us think about I. Where is I? I is ninth one. Okay, I is ninth one. Fine. So you have to find now ninth one. Okay, fine. Um, so we have I here. Okay, and okay, I. Okay. So I is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th. Okay. And from here, which one you will take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this should come R. This should come R, but this is not in our options. So I think definitely there will be some problem with options. And let us see about L. L is what? L is 12. So let us count 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so uh, guys, look at this question. You have beat is equals to y, v, z, g. Okay, so now let us like just write your alphabets. Uh, See, I am explaining, so that's why I'm writing them again and again. Okay, if you get two or three questions in the examination, or if you are able to remember the sequence, then it is well and good. So P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, now see, B is corresponding to Y. So B is second one, and this is second from here. So do one thing, just number it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and you know you need only till L. Okay, you need only till L. Sorry, M. Okay, so till here only you need, don't go beyond that. Okay, now number this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and we don't need beyond 13, we don't need the number. Okay, so see, we find that uh, this is splitting, M is splitting, M and N are splitting the sequence into two parts. Okay, this is this. So B is 2, and what is 2 corresponding? Y. E is what? 5, and what is 5 corresponding? That's V. Okay, and then we find A is 1, and what is 1 correspond? Z. And then T is what? Okay, T will be 20 obviously. Okay, sorry, T will be 7 from here. T is 7, and 7 is what? G. Okay, so you numbered the sequence and you have to now just write it. So MILD, you have mild. M is what? 13. So what is the corresponding 13? N. I is what? I is 9. What is the corresponding 9 number? Right, R. Now you know your answer is NROW. But let us see. L is what? L is 12. And what is the corresponding 12? O. Okay, so now it's checked also. And D is what? 4. And what is the corresponding 4? That's W. So this is how you do your question. Okay, this is how you do your question. Fine. So that's very simple. Only we have to just think about what our alphabets are saying. Okay, so those were the two logic. Now let us see more logic. Okay, so in a certain code, road is written as WTFI. Okay, road is written as WTFI. Following the same rule. Okay, following the same rule, what is the word JGJFY? So D is written as what? D is written as 4, and I is written as 9. So plus 5 we are doing here. A is 1, and if you do plus 5, so F is definitely 6. Okay. So in both these things we are getting plus 5. Fine. Uh, Fine. And then you find this O is what? So I think O is 15. Let us just check, because yes, O is 15 and T is 20. Okay, I'll show you. Once again, I'll write the alphabets. I will show the sequence. Okay. And um okay. And this is R is written as 17, and this is obviously 22. Okay, and this is obviously 22. So I'll show you this. Okay, I'll show you this in your alphabetical sequence as well. So we have A, B, C, D. I know this is boring, but this is how we do these kind of questions. Okay, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Question: in a certain code, road is written as WTFI. Following the same rule of coding, which word is GJFY? Okay, which one is GJFY? So basically, what is GJFY? G is 7, J is what? J is 10, F is what? F is obviously 6, and Y is what? Y is 25. So what words you need? You need 2, 5, 1, and this is what? 20. So what is 2? Obviously B. What is 5? Obviously E. What is I? 1? Obviously A. And what is 20? Obviously T. See, when I am like, because I remember all these digits, what do they correspond? So I am able to do this so fast. Okay, so if you are like, just if you are able to remember which alphabet is like which number. So that can be done very quickly. Okay, so that can be done very quickly. So I hope you understand this. We found the logic that every word is doing +5, and then it is asking the same rule of coding, what should be the word GJFY. Okay, so GJFY is what? It is asking that there is a word beat and it has been coded to GJFY. You have to reverse code it. So when you reverse code it, you get this. Okay, because see, when we were doing the first thing, so we were adding. Now when we are doing this, we are subtracting. So we get beat 2, 5, 1 and 20. So I hope everybody is clear with this thing. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, so similar question in a certain code, covet is written as FRYHW. Which word should be written as SHDUO? Okay, so C is now corresponding to F. C is what? 3, F is 6. O is corresponding to R. V is corresponding to E, and no. V is corresponding to Y. Okay, and E is corresponding to T. Okay, sorry, E is corresponding to H. I'm extremely sorry. And T is corresponding to W. Okay, T is corresponding to W. So everything is plus, like +3 here, +3 here, +3 here, +3 here. Okay, you can check it as well. Okay, you can check it as well. Okay, so we are doing what? A, B, C, D, E, F, O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, this is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now this C became F. Okay, so 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, so basically, and O is what? O is 15. So what is 18? 18 is obviously R. Okay, so this is the sequence. Now what is given to us? SHDUO. Okay, so you know S is what? 19. Okay, H is what? 8. D is what? 4. Okay, D is what? 4. U is what? U is 21 and O is what? O is 15. Now do minus 3 for each of these numbers. This will become 16, 5, 1. This will become what? This will become 19. Okay, no, sorry, 18, and this will become 12. So what is the 16th word? P, obviously. Okay, so you know that now this will be pearl, but let us keep like checking it. Okay, what is the fifth word? E, obviously. Okay, fifth word is E. What is the first word? A, obviously. What is this word? R, obviously. And what is this word? L, obviously. Okay, because you know 12th word is L, 18th word is R. Okay, 18th word is R. So I hope now everybody is like familiar with all these things. Okay, so this is how we do these questions. Now let's just move on to the next question. So nothing we did, we just have to find that which word this code represents. So we'll just do the reverse logic, and this we are when we are doing the first direct coding, we are adding 3. But when we are decoding, what we are doing, we are subtracting 3. Okay, so this is how we do these kind of question. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, now look at this. In this question, it is saying 81632 means the brown dog frightened the cat. Okay, and this is also frightened only. This word is also frightened. Please correct it. Okay, so 816321 means the brown dog frightened the cat. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. Okay, 5, 6 words, and here also there are 6 numbers. 816321 means the brown dog frightened the cat. Now here one thing that you can observe, that da is 2 times, so da is definitely 1. because 1 is 2 times. Okay, because 1 is 2 times. Now 64851 means the frightened cat ran away. Okay, the frightened cat ran away. Fine. Now see, in these two, what is common? The we already know, that is 1, will cancel that. Okay, now frightened is common. Okay, frightened is common. Okay, cat is common. And which two numbers are common? 6 is common and 8 is common. So either frightened can be 6 or cat can be 6, or this can be 8 or this can be 6. Anything is possible? Okay, anything is possible. Fine. So in these two sentences we find only uh, three words common. The we already deduced that it was one only. Okay. Frightened and cat is common, and we know either they can be 8 or they can be 6. Okay. Now you see the cat was brown, it is given. Okay. The cat was brown, it is given. So when you are like comparing these two, you know that only one word is common in these one, cat, and cat is corresponding to what? 6, because only one letter is common. So cat is 6. Okay. Cat is 6. Fine. Now the dog ran, it is saying. The dog ran. So if we like compare these two, this one and one will get cancelled. Which word are common? Ran is common. Only ran is common. Okay. So ran means what? Now in these two, which word is common? Other than one, only 4 is common. So I now come to know that ran is what? Ran is 4. Okay, ran is 4 because 341 the dog ran. 1 I know it is the. Okay, 4 I know it is ran because 64851 and this also has ran. Okay, so I know ran is 4. So obviously no, the dog is 3. Okay, okay, the dog is 3. Now I know if the dog is 3, okay, cat is what? Cat is 6, the dog is 3, the cat is 6, the frightened is 8 then. Okay, the frightened is 8 then. Okay, because cat is 6, so frightened will be 8. Okay, Da is 1 for us. We already deduced that. So you know the brown is what? The brown is 2. Okay? The brown is 2 because we know da is what? Okay. Um, and in this one we have 2 common with this one. Okay. So brown is 2. Brown is 2. Which other word is left? Was is left. Was is what? 7, because only word left here is 7. Okay. So now we have reduced each and every word. Okay. Now we have reduced each and every word. Fine. So the dog ran. So we know the is 1. Okay. Dog is what? Dog is 3. Okay. Da is 1, dog is 3. Okay, so actually da is 1, so we could have written 1 here. Dog is 3, so we could have written 3 here. Okay, and ran is 4, so we could have written 4 here. But the sequence is written as what? 3, 4, 1. Okay, the sequence is written as 341. Similarly, if you like see this is a four letter one. Okay, because the dog was frightened is also a 4 1. So we know one is this, cat is what? Cat is 6. Okay, cat is 6. And was is what? Was is 7 and 2 is brown. So 1672. Okay, 1672 is written as 7621. Okay, 76. We flip this and then bring this behind. Okay, bring this behind. So now our answer is what? The dog was frightened. Da is 1. Okay, dog is 3. Was is what? Was is I think 7. Okay, and frightened is what? Frightened is 8. So now you will write by what? Just you are going to like flip this number, so that will become 8731. Okay, so that will become 8731. Fine. So this is how you do these kind of questions. Okay, this is how you do these kind of question. Okay, fine. So this is the logic. I hope everybody is clear with this thing. Now it is asking, now we already know the code for frightened is 8. So our answer is 8. Okay. Now we already okay. Now we already know the code for away. Did we find the code for away? Okay. So the code for away is obviously 5 because only that one is left. So uh, the code for away is 5. Okay. Okay. Now the code for brown. We already did we find the code for brown? Yes, we did find the code for brown. What was the code for brown? If you see. Okay. So like our cat was 6, frightened was 8, da was 1, dog was I think 3. Okay, so brown is 2 only. Okay, brown is 2 only. You can see here also brown is there and 2 is also there. So our code for brown is 2. Okay, our code for brown is 2 only. Okay, so then we get 2 here. Okay, then we get 2 here. Okay, then we get 2 here. So I hope now everybody is clear with this thing, how we are doing these kind of questions. Okay, everybody should be clear with this thing, how we are doing these kind of questions. So I hope, and let's move on to the next question. Okay, now look at this. If rain is water, it is saying if rain is water, water is road. Okay, water is road. Uh, road is cloud. Okay, road is cloud. Cloud is a sky. Sky is sea. And sea is path. Okay, where do aeroplanes fly? So, where do aeroplanes fly? Sky. So, we have to deduce what sky is. So, it is saying rain is water. Okay, rain is water. Fine. Water is road. Okay, water is road. Road is cloud. Okay, road is cloud. Okay, and cloud is a sky. Okay, cloud is a sky and sky is sea. Okay, and sea is path. Okay, and sea is path. Where do aeroplanes fly? Okay, where do aeroplanes fly? Fine. So we have to like find that which one is the final one. Okay, which one is the final one. Now it is saying we already know that sky is where the aeroplanes fly. Okay, sky is where the aeroplane fly. Now it is saying rain is water. We find it okay. Water is road. We find it okay. Road is cloud. Okay. Then it is also okay. Then cloud is sky. Okay. Cloud is sky they are saying and sky is sea. Okay. Sky is sea and sea is path. So where do the aeroplanes fly it is saying. Okay, so see, it is saying cloud is a sky, but sky is sea. So we'll write sea. Okay, we'll write sea. So this is simple. Okay, this is simple. Don't get confused a lot. Okay, don't get confused a lot. And then now look at this one. It is saying blue means green, green means white, white means yellow, yellow means black, black means red. Okay, red means brown. Then what is the color of milk? What is the color of milk? White is the color of milk. Now we have to find what is white. Okay, so it is saying blue means green. Okay, so I know blue color is not blue color, it is green color. And green means white. Okay, fine, green means white. White means yellow. Okay, white means yellow. Yellow means black. Okay, yellow means black. Okay, black means red. Black means red. Red means brown. Okay, now it is asking what is the color of milk. So white means yellow. So yellow is the color of milk. Okay, yellow is the color of milk, so it's a no-brainer. Okay, now again we see this kind of question. It is saying eraser is box, box is a pencil, pencil is a sharpener. Okay, sharpener is called a bag. Sharpener is what? Bag. What will a child write with? So, what do you write with? Pencil. And pencil is what? Sharpener. Sharpener is your answer. Okay, sharpener is your answer. So, these are very simple. One um, just see the one relation, okay, which is direct, and that will be your answer. Okay, just see the one relation that is direct, and that will be your answer. Now look at this question. It is asking complete the series choosing the missing letters. Okay, complete the series choosing the missing letter. Now these questions are asked in UPSC every year. Okay, these are the questions which are asked in the UPSC every year. You will find one of these questions will be certainly asked. Okay, so how we'll do this question? Now see, it is giving A dash BBC dash AAB dash CCA dash BB dash and double C. Now see, what is the most effective method of doing this question? You put all these in the filling the blanks and see whether this makes any sense. Okay, this is the fastest method to do it. Okay, so we'll do, and this is the fastest and the most accurate method to do it. You will not get any silly mistakes from here. So let us check this first option. So we will do fill A here. Okay, so A double B. Okay, now C, after we are getting B and A, and then double B, then double C. Okay, then A. Okay, so this one was one blank, this one BBC, this one was one blank, and this is AAB, and this one was one blank, and this is CCA, and this is another blank. So we'll put A here, and then we put BBCC. So what we are seeing, we are getting AABB, only this one is wrong. Okay, this should have been C. Okay, this should have been C. So if we get like ACBA, that will be our correct answer. So we get our correct answer. So just by putting one sequence, we got our correct answer here. Okay, we are looking at this. Just by putting one sequence, we got our correct answer. So this is the best method of doing this. You just put one option. If you get any particular series and you see that what correction you can make, and if you find that option, you have that answer. And these questions definitely occur in the examination. Now see, no one does these question wrongs. Most of the aspirants, these are one of the questions that most of the aspirant do correct. But since, okay guys, let us look at this question. You have A dash B dash C dash double AB dash double C double AB dash double C. Okay, now let us do what? Just try to fill this. Okay, so first blank is this one. Okay, let us number these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so in the first number I am going to fill B. So now this becomes ABB. Now in the second blank I am going to put C. So this becomes ABBAC. Now in the third blank, I'm going to put C. So A, B, B, A, C, C. Now double A it becomes, now B it becomes, and in the fourth blank again it is asking for B and then C, C, and then A, then it is becoming what? B, A and C, C. Is it making any sense? So A double B, A double C, then double A double B double C, then double A B A C C. No, not making much sense. So now let us try for this one. So in the first one, they are asking to put us A. So we, okay. Okay. So we are now checking up our option number two. So we put A in the first blank. Then we have B. Then in the second blank, we put B. Then in the third blank, we put C. Now it becomes double A, double B, double C. Then it becomes double A. Then in the fourth blank, we are going to put double B. Then becoming double C. Then double A. Then in the fifth blank, we are going to put B. Then this becomes double B. Okay. So this sequence we are checking, this is becoming good. So this is our answer. Okay. This is our answer. We need no more logic here. Okay. So what we did, A, double A, double B. Okay. Then C we put, then B we put, then this is our answer. Okay. So this is simple. We have to just check the options. Now you have this uh, WFB, TGT, QHG. What is the next sequence? So WFB we are having. Okay. Then this becomes TGT. Okay, and then this becomes QHG. So B to D. Okay. So we are like having plus 2 because B is what 2 and D is what 4. So plus 2, and then we have what only C is missing here na, and from D to G. So E and F are missing. Okay. E and F are missing here. Okay. So here also you are doing what? G is I think seventh number. Let us like first write. Okay, because if we once write now, then it becomes very simple. H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, then you know 1, 2, 3 and all. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, this is it. Okay, now W we have FB. Okay, so this is what we have to find the logic. Okay, so W is what 23, F is what 6, and B is what? B is obviously 2. Now you see T, G, D. T is what 20, G is what? G is 7, and B is what? And D is what? D is 4. Fine. Now you see Q, H, G. Q is what? Q is 17. Okay, H is what? H is 8 and G is what? G is 7. Okay, G is 7. Fine. So here to here you just subtracted minus 3 and here to here you just subtracted minus 3. Okay, here to here you just did plus 1 and here to here you just did plus 1. Okay, here to here you did plus 2 and here to here you did plus 3. So I think you have to go plus 4 here. So that means 11. 11 you know it is K. Okay, 11 you know it is K. Fine. Here to here plus 1, that means you know it will be 9. 9 is what? I. So I. Here to here you know minus 3, that means 14. 14 everybody knows it's N. So N I K you get. Okay, N I K you get. So this is how you do. This is also the series question. Okay, this is also the series question, but then okay, this is also the series question, but then alphanumeric series. Okay, so now let us do this question. You have A Z G T M N dash and YB. So A Z G T M N uh, dash and YB we are getting. Okay, so let us see how we can do these questions. Okay. Okay, let's do these question. What was the question for us? It is saying AZ. Okay, it is saying AZGTMNYB. Okay, so again you can start from A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P and all. Okay, by now I think most of you must be familiar with what number which alphabet is. Okay, so A is 1 and this is 7 and then you have M. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So M is 13. Okay, so plus 6 we are having. So plus 6, I think now we will be having 19. Now what is 19? I think 19 will be S. Okay, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 19 is S, 20 is T, 21 is U, 22 is V, 23 is W, 24 is your X, 25 is your Y, and 26 is your Z. Okay. So 19, okay, and then 19 plus 6 is what? 19 plus 6 is 25. You have your Y. Okay, you have your Y. Now let us see about what is going on here. Okay, so Z is 26, minus 6 is 20, and 20 is T, minus 6 is 14. 14 is what? Your N, and minus 6 is 8. 8 is what? Your H. Okay, 8 is what? Your H, and minus 6 is what? uh, 2 sorry, you have this 8 and minus 6 is 2, so you have your B. Okay, now this one is S and SH. Okay, so you get your SH. This is so simple. Okay, this is so simple. So now let's move on. Now this is simple HIKN. So H to I and K to N. What is H? What is H? H is obviously 7. Okay, H is obviously 7. Okay, H is obviously 7. And then I is obviously 9 and K is obviously 11 and N is obviously 14. Okay, N is obviously 14. So let us do like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Sorry, I is 9 only. Okay, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Okay, so what we are doing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, G is 7, H is 8, I is 9. Okay, so basically plus 2 here. Okay, plus 2 here. Then 10 and 11. Then basically plus 2 here. Okay, plus 2 here as well. Okay, then from 11, you are going to what? You are going to 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, then we are going to 14. So this is becoming plus 3 here. Okay, plus 3 here. So in the first one, we skipped just one. Okay, so G to I, and then we went from I to K, and then we skipped 2. Okay, then we skipped 2. Now 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so if you are trying to skip 2, you are getting Q. Okay, and okay, if you are trying to like skip 2, you are getting Q. If you are trying to skip 3, we are getting R. Okay, we are getting R. Okay, and if you are trying to just skip 1, okay, just skip 1, okay, then you are getting P. Okay, then you are getting P. Now see, I will just skip 2 because in the first 2, I was skipping only one number. So then I was getting plus 2 plus 2. Now I'm skipping two numbers, so I'll keep this constant. So because of that, I'll write what? From 14, I'll skip to Q. Okay, I'll skip to Q. Okay, I'll skip to Q. So Q will be my correct answer. Okay, not R. Okay, Q will be my correct answer. Fine. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 3, and 14 plus 3. So that is 17. 17 is Q, so Q will be my answer. Okay. Now you have this Z, S, W, O, T, K, Q, G, and dash dash. Okay. So let us see what is happening here. Now Z is what? Z is 26. S is what? 19. W is I think 22. Let's see now. Okay, let's see. Do this very properly. A, B, C, D, E. Because see, small mistakes can just like ruin our answer, and we're getting minus marks. Okay, so because I don't need minus marks, so I'll not rely on my memory. What I will do, I'll make it. S T U V W X Y Z. Okay. See, I don't think more than this you need to practice anything. I think more than class also you don't need any more practice for this because this is simple only. Okay. So you have like spend your one hour here. That's enough for UPSC. Okay. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now Z. From Z, now this is actually what Z S W O T K Q and G. Okay, so Z is what 26, S is what 19, W is what 23, O is what again 15, T is what again 20, K is what again 11, okay, Q is what again 17, okay, and G is what again 7, okay, again 7. Okay, so we are having this sequence Z, W, T, Q, and the next one after G. So that should be what 14. Okay, that should be what 14. Fine, that should be 14. So what is 14? 14 is N. So I'm getting N here. Now I have two options, either NC or ND. Okay. So now from 9 to 14 minus 4. Okay. From 15 to 11 again minus 4. From 11 to 17 7 again minus 4. So from 7 to minus 4 I'm getting what? 3 here. Okay, 3 here and 3 is what? C. So I am getting NC. Okay, this is that simple. Okay, this is that simple. Fine. So this is it. Now let us like look at this also. B, E, D, F, then dash, then H, then J, then I think this is L. Okay, so B is 2, E is E is 5, okay, D is 4, F is 6, okay, then we have blank. So we have 2, 5, 4, 6, okay, then H is what? H is 7, then you have this will be I think 10, okay, J is 10, okay, then dash, and then we have uh, L is 12. Okay, L is 12. So what we are getting? We are getting here a sequence 2, 4. Okay. Um, E, F, G, H, I. See, I'm making this first only because, see, we'll need it anyway. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think we won't need much more than this. So B, E, D, F, dash, H, J, dash, L. Okay. So B is what? 2. E is what? 5. D is what? 4. F is what? 6. This dash is we don't know. H is what? Um, 8. Okay. J is what? J is what? 10. Okay, then we have this dash again. We have this dash again. And then we have this L. L is what? 12. Okay, so do I see a sequence 2, 4, 8, and so then this should be what? This should be 10. Okay, and if I am doing this 5, 6, 7. Okay, then this one is becoming 10 suddenly. Okay, this one is becoming 10 suddenly. Okay, so and then this one is 12. So this my alternate sequence is not satisfying this thing. Okay, my alternate sequence is not satisfying this thing. So what is going to satisfy? Okay, what is going to satisfy? Let us look for any other logic. Okay, so we have this B, D, F, dash H, okay, and J, and then a dash L. Okay, so we know very well this is 2. Okay, this is 5. This is 4. Okay, so B, E, there is a difference of 3. Okay, D, F, there is a difference of 2. Okay, BF, DF, there is a difference of 2. Okay, then ED, there is a difference of 1. Okay, ED, there is a difference of 1. Fine. Now, if we like do here what? So 3 and then 1 and then 2 we are getting. Okay, between these two we are getting plus 3, between these two we are getting plus 1, and between these two we are getting plus 2. Okay, we are getting plus 2. So if I like follow this sequence, whether I am getting this or not, so f plus 3, f is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 is I. Okay, and IH, what is the difference? IH, what is the difference? Minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Fine. IH, the difference is minus 1. So, yes, because from E to D, the difference is minus 1 only. Okay, the difference is minus 1 only from E to D. So fine, this is working for me. Okay, now if I from if I have already like taken out f plus 3 is what? I, and I minus 1 is h. Now what I need, this I put I here, I minus 1 is h, and then if this h and j satisfies our condition, what? That this plus 2. Okay, so I have h plus 2. H plus 2 is what? 8 plus 2 is 10. I am exactly getting j. So my condition is satisfied. Then what I am doing? I am again going to do what? I am going to do I. Um, Okay, so between f and I, I'm getting plus 3. Okay, between this and this, I'm getting minus 1, and between this and this, I'm getting plus 2. What I did, um, okay, from here to here, I added 3. Okay, and when I went from this third to my fourth one, okay, this third to my fourth one, I added plus 2. Okay, from here to here, plus 3, from here to here, minus 1, and from here to here, plus 2. Okay, and then from here to here, plus 3, from here to here, minus 1, and from here to here, plus 2. So what I am going to do here to here, I am going to do plus 3. Okay, so J is what? 10. I need 13. So I am going to get M. Okay, I am going to get M. If I will do M minus 1, will I get 12? Yes, I'll get 11. So my answer is coming to be I M. Okay, my answer is coming to be I M. So I hope you understand this. Okay, this was a little bit like cumbersome on the side because the calculation is very, है ना, very near to each other. Okay, so like let us understand this once more. What we did when we went from B to E. Okay, B to E means plus 3. Okay, because B is 2, E is 5, so plus 3. Okay, then E to D, E to D is minus 1. Okay, then D to F, D to F is plus 2 because this is 4, this is 6, so plus 2. So this is the sequence going on. So now I have F. So if I do F plus 3, then I am getting I. Okay. F plus 3 I am getting I because F is what? F is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9 and I am getting I. Okay. Then whether I is satisfying the condition I minus 1 is H. Yes, it is satisfying the condition. Okay. So plus 3 got it. Minus 1 got it. So from now I got H plus 2, whether it is J or not. H plus 2, 8 plus 2 is exactly J. Okay, 8 plus 2 is exactly J. So plus 2 condition also satisfied. Again I'll do J plus 3. J plus 3 is what? J is what? 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 is M. M. I'm getting M here. and whether again my condition is satisfying m minus 1, so that is L, so again my condition is satisfied, so I'm getting I am. Okay, I am. So this is how you do these kind of questions. Okay, fine. Now let's move on to the next question. Again we have these, see, these kinds of questions are often asked in UPSC, so for that practice I am including a lot of these questions in my this. Okay, so that here only you are done with this. Okay, and you can practice the tougher part anywhere else. Okay, so let us start checking from this only. So this is our first blank. Okay, so we are putting TS TT, then dash STT. Okay, then dash, we are getting TTS. Okay, uh, sorry, we are getting triple TS. Okay, because these two T, one more T, and then S, and then again the last one you are getting S. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so TS double T, then S double T, then triple T. These are actually five T's and so on. So they're not making much sense. Let us like check with this one. So we have this TS and double T and then triple T. Okay, this one is blank, this one is blank. Okay, then we have more double T. Then we have S. Okay, then we have double T. Then we have S. Then we have T. So what is this sequence? These 5T coming in between. Okay, 5T coming in between. Okay, not making much sense. Let us check with this one. So we have double S double T. Okay, then we have S double T. Then we have T T T T. Then again these many T's. Then S and then T. Okay, again not making much sense. Let us check for this one. This is T and then S double T, then S, then S double T. Okay, okay. Then S, then double T we are getting. Okay, because this is the blank, this is the blank, and this is the blank. And then we are getting what? Uh, double T, S, and then we are getting T. Okay, so basically it is like becoming what? T S double T S T S double T S double T S double T S double T. Okay, S double T. Okay, so which one satisfies more? Okay, which one satisfies more? Okay, this is double S double T S double T T. Okay, this is not making any sense. This is not making any sense because no sequence. This is not making any sense. But this is what S double T S double T S double T we are getting. Okay, and if this is like this way, ST here, okay, and then T here, so then we are getting this sequence. Okay, so I think the most appropriate answer is this one only. Okay, so this is how we do these kind of question. Now let us look at another question. You have you have GFE dash IG dash E double I dash FEI dash GF dash double I. Okay, so what is the sequence? Uh, First of all, let us write it like more clearly. Let's take this color. GFE we have, then we have dash, then we have IG, then we have dash, then we have EII, then we have dash, then we have FEI, then we have dash and GF. Okay, fine. Let us like give more space. Okay, we have GFE dash IG dash E double I dash FEI dash GF dash double I. Okay, let's just start filling. Okay, so we have GF, will fill E here, so GF double E, then IG. Okay, then this dash will make it IE, then double I, then this dash will make it double F, then EI. Okay, then again double G, then F, then dash, then G double I. Okay, See, these kinds of questions are all often asked in UPSC, so we will be doing a lot of these questions in this class only, so that you don't have to do these questions anymore. Okay, so let us do. So you have dash S T T dash T T dash T T S dash. Okay, now see, this is what blank number 1, blank number 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so in the first one we are putting T S T T, and now put S, so that is okay. So we have T S T. Okay, then we have this T S T, then we have this what, T T, T T T. Okay, not getting. And then we have T S S. Okay, so our sequence is getting disturbed. Okay, TST was fine. We were getting at something. Now you like check this. You have this TTST. So TST, okay. Then again TTT you are getting TST TTT. Okay. Then again you are getting TST. Fine. So TST TTT TST. So let's see if we get like TTT here. So we are getting TS. uh, okay, we have TS, and then we are getting like T here. Okay, so but this is like destroying our sequence. Let's check this one. So you get SST, and then these three, like you are getting um, TST. Okay, then you are getting these three TTT, and then you are getting these three T ST. Okay, so again our sequence is getting destroyed. Let us check this one. So you got this TST when you fill this T, then you got this TST when you fill this T, then you got this TST when you fill this blank as S, and then you got TST when you fill this S. So basically this is your answer. Okay, this is how you do these kind of questions. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Now let us look at this one. You have G F E dash I G. Okay, then G E I dash FEI 10 dash GFII. Now see, here I am noticing something. I am getting some combination of GF. Okay, I am noticing some combination of GF. So if I am like getting GFE here, and also I am like getting GFE here, okay, so like see, because here I am able to notice, so I don't have to check. Okay, here I am able to notice, so I'll do what? I'll put F here. I don't know about this, what I am getting. Okay, uh, but if you see this very, you will get it. Okay, so I am getting like GF here, so I'll get G here. Okay, I'll get G here and I'll get E here. Okay, so I am able to like guess two places. Which one? Because this GFE, GFE, GFE and GFE, I am able to guess this. Okay, so my second one is F, my third one is G. Okay, my second one is F, my third one is G, and I have five blank places. So my fifth one is also E. Okay, my fifth one is also E. So do I have, and now I know this one also. Why? Because if I put GFE here, I get II. I put GFE here, I get II. I put GFE here, I get II. Okay, so this should be I and this should be I. So this I am getting in this one. Okay, because this was very apparent. Okay, this was very apparent how GFE, II, GFE, II, GFE, II, and GFE, II. Okay, because this became very apparent because of this G. Okay, this G was everywhere, so I got it. Okay, so I didn't have to like check. So if you are like able to get it, you don't have to check also, but then there are multiple methods of doing a single question. Okay, now this is ABA and all, so we'll have to check it. Why? Because see, this is not giving us much information. In that there were so many symbols that it was giving us a lot of information. Here let us check. We have A dash B dash A dash B dash A B B. Okay, this is our thing. Now if I do like this, okay, so I'm getting something A B B A, okay, like this. So if I do like triple A here, this A and A, so triple A, okay, and then B here, and then B here. So this I'm getting triple A, and then B double A, then B double A, then double B, then A B, then A. Nothing I'm getting from here. Okay, nothing at all. Okay. So let us like move towards our next option. Okay, you have this A B A B B. Okay, so A double A, it becomes, then double B it becomes. Then what? uh, when this becomes double A, then this becomes double B. Then this again becomes double A. Then this is what? Single B. Okay, so what I am getting? Double A, double B, double A, then single B, then double A. Okay, then this one is becoming what? Double B. Okay, because this is our fourth one. And then AB, and then double B, and then ABB. Okay, ABB. Okay, not making much sense again. Now let us check for other one. So I have BA and then I have AB. Okay, so let's say this one is one sequence. I'm checking this one. So I'm putting B here, A here, B. So BAB. Then um, two of them I have put. Now I am putting this B. Okay, so BB, AB. Again, my sequence is destroyed. Okay, again, my sequence is destroyed. Okay, so then I get B double A, then I get this BBA. Okay, then I get this AA. Okay, then I'll fill this fourth one. Okay, I'll fill this fourth one, which is A. So triple A, then BAB. Then I'll fill this last one, then BABB. Okay, so if I like take three or like take two, there is coming to be no sequence. Okay, now I have this only last option to check, which will probably give me my answer, but then let us check it. So let us put like B A, and then again we put what? B A B. Okay, then I put this is two I have already put. Sorry, this will become not BAB, this will be BAA, because here we'll put A. Okay, here we'll put A. Then I'll put BA here. Okay, then again I'm getting this BAA. Then again I'm putting this here. So I'm getting BBA. Okay, BBA. Then again I'm putting this A here. So BAA. Then again BBA, and so basically I'm getting this, what? This BAA, BBA, BAA, BBA, BAA, BBA. So at the last I got it. Okay, at the last I got it. It was very difficult to notice here, because see, if I notice this BAA now, then only I am going to get something. Okay, so BAA I am getting by what? By this, and then BBA. But BBA I am not able to notice here, because it is not given only. I have to guess it. Okay, that's why it took me so many attempts. Okay, fine. Now look at, okay, now look at this question. We have A, B, C. Then we have A gap. Then we have B. Then we have double. Then we have C double A B. Then dash. Then C A. Then we have B B C. Then dash. Then A. Okay. So now C. Obviously we'll start filling with something. Okay. So I'll start this time by the last one. Okay. So I'm getting A B C. Then I'm filling double A here, because first one is A, so double A here, then B C, then double A, then B, then I am getting double B here. Okay, because of this B I am getting double B here, then C, then let it be C, then I am having A, then I am having how much B? This is the third blank, and in third blank I am getting again B. Okay, so triple B, then C, then A, then C double A I am getting. Okay, so see what I am getting here, A B C, then double A B. Okay, then double A B and then C, then double A double B and then C. Okay, then I should have gotten here instead of B if there would have been a here. Okay, instead of like B, if there would have been A here, so I'll get double A, double B and double C. So instead of this A also, if I get C here, so then my sequence will be like ABC, double A, okay, BC, then double A, double B and C, and then double A, double B and double C. So are you recognizing this? First is for ABC, then A became double and BC, then both A and B became double and then C, and then both A, B and C, everybody became double. So this condition will be satisfied in this one, because if I put ABC here, okay, then this double A will come here and then BC, and then double A and then double BC here. Okay, and then double A and double B and double C here and then A. So like now it came, no, ABC, double ABC, double A double BC, double A BBC and CCA. So see, when we like tried with one option, then I almost got the pattern right, but then in the second option, I find that this one will satisfy my condition. Okay, that this one will satisfy my condition. So I hope everybody is clear with this thing. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, now you have this. What is this? Okay, now you have this question. What is there in this question? It is a sequence. You have dash and TU. Then you have R, T dash. Then you have S. Then you have double dash. Then you have U. Then you have S. Then R, T, U. Okay, when 3 4 letters are given consecutively, then we can try to like deduce what can be the possible arrangement. So this RTU I find here, and this TU I find here, this RT I find here. So by looking at this, I get that RTU may be some sequence. Okay, then I get RTU may be some sequence. Okay, RTU may be some sequence. So if I like fill here R, then become TU. If I fill, then RTUS. If I fill U here, then RTUS. Then RT I can fill here, then S I can fill here. So see here, because these were the consecutive letter given, I was able to make out a sequence. So I don't have to like put and check. Okay. So R T U, sorry, what is this sequence coming? R S U R T S. Okay. So do we have this? R S U R T S. R S U R T S. We get this. Okay. So I hope now this is clear to everybody. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now let's move on to the next question. These questions come in exam. That is why I am making you practice all these questions. So other than this, when you practice the practice sheet, it will be enough, I think. Okay. So now we are having here ABA, then BA, then AB. Okay. So most probably I'm not able to make anything out here, but I see that BA is recurring. Okay. BA is recurring. Okay. So this is 1, 2, and so let us like see what is happening here. Okay. Okay, fine. So when I observe this, so I see this AB is occurring or BA is occurring. Okay, either AB is occurring or BA is occurring. Okay, so like if I see I get AB here, then I will 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 get again AB here. Okay, so here I have to fill AB. Okay, here I have to fill BA and here I have to fill B. So my sequence is A, B, B, A and B. Is there any sequence like this? Yes, there is sequence like this. So if I am able to observe in simpler question, then definitely I will be able to do it. Okay, without checking. So I have this triple B here. I have this four B's here. Okay, I have this four B's here. So what I am seeing, I think the B's are increasing. Okay, I think the B's are increasing. Fine, I have this triple B, then I have this four B's. Then I have this three B's. Okay, three more B's. Okay, so let us see, and I have C as well. Okay, I have C as well. So I think it will be like, if we see, maybe um, because a is also coming. Okay, a is also coming. So if I like do this c a b, okay, and then ca, then 4 b's, then ca, and then 4 b's. Okay, so because I am saying this, that there are 4 b's, there are is a possibility of 4b, I am getting a sequence ca. Okay, and this I got what, so first letter which I am filling is A, second letter which I am filling is B, third letter which I am filling is C, fourth letter which I am filling is C, and last letter which I am filling is this. So is there as a sequence like this? Yes, there is definitely this. So whenever I am able to observe a regular sequence, then I will not need to check. Okay, then there is no need to check. So I am seeing this B, then I am seeing this double dash, then I am seeing this. Okay, there are 4 B's. So whenever too many letters are together, now they will give you the sequence. Okay, they will give you the sequence. So I saw that, I saw an opportunity. Okay, there are 4 B's here. So if I fill like a B here, okay, if I fill like a B here, it will make 4B here. If I will fill a B here, then it will make 4B here. And they have A in front of them. All the B's have A in front of them. So let me put A in front of them. Then what is left? C is left, C is left. So what I am doing, A, B, C, C, B. So my sequence is A, B, C, 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 B. Okay. So this is how we do this kind of dash, double B, C, A, then dash B, double C, A, then dash A, C, dash A, C, B. Okay. So what is happening here? This is double B. Okay. This is double B. Fine. And then I can see double C as well. Okay, and then I can see double C as well. Okay, so I do not find a very regular sequence, but still there is something. Okay, still there is something we can make out from here. What? That we are getting double B, then we are getting double C. So if we are getting double B, double C, so somewhere we should get double A as well. Okay, so we'll try to find somewhere double A as well. Okay, try to find somewhere double A as well. Fine. So let us look at what is the possible sequence we can make it here. Okay, so this is double B. Okay, and then comes CA, and this is double C. Okay, this is double C. So when double B came, then CA came. Okay, and now double C is coming. So let me consider that maybe this is A, and let's say B will come. Okay, then I think here double A should come. Okay, see guys, in this question, we have this double B and CA, we have B double CA, and we have AC. So we are not able to make out a sequence from here. So what is the most uh, appropriate method here? That just fill them. Okay, what is the most appropriate method here? That just fill them. So let us fill them. Okay, so we have this A double B C A. Okay, A double B C A. So that is okay. Let us like look at this one. Okay, so you have double B and then C C A E. This E make no sense. So I'll like cancel this. Okay, then I'll check this one. Okay, and I will not check this J also because this will make no sense. I'll check from these two only. So A double B C A I am getting. This I got. Okay, then the next one I am getting C B. Okay, and C C A. Okay, let it be. And then I am getting B here. Okay, this one I got C here, this one I got A here, this one I got B here. Okay, then I have this AC. Fine, fine, fine for me. Then I have this C double A. Okay, C double A I am getting. Then this one I am like filling B C. Okay, B C B. Okay, so what I am getting A double B C. This I got, and then I got AC, because let this B like we are eliminating this from in between. Then I am getting B double C A. Okay, B double CA, and then from this middle it is removed, so then I am getting BA. Then I am getting C double AB, and then I am getting this CB. So from middle this is removed and this came. Okay, so are you able to understand the sequence? We have this A double BC, and then I am getting AC. Then I am getting this B double CA, and then I am getting this BA, and then I am getting this C double AB, and then I am getting this CB. So this is my sequence. So I hope you understand this. I think this sequence was this one. Okay, this sequence was this one. So this is how you do these questions. This is the last one. Okay, this is the last one. So I think it will be enough of a practice for this type of questions. Okay. Um, okay. So now let us look at this one also. So we have this ace. Okay, so we have this. See here, if you observe, what are you getting? You are getting AC, then you are getting AB, then you are getting BA, CA, AB, A. So between every word you are getting A. Okay, between every word you are getting A. There is no word where you are not getting A. Okay, there is no word where you are not getting A. You are understanding this thing. Between every word we are getting A. So AC. Okay, AC. So if I consider like A here, so then it will become AC. If I consider like A here, so then it will become AB. If I consider this became AB, okay, then again if I consider like C here, so it will become AC. Then again AB. Okay, so see, I was able to make it here because every other word A I am getting A here, then A here as well, then A here as well, A here as well. Every other word I am getting A. So I'll keep my A's. So I will like AC, and then put A here, then AC, then put again A here, then AB, then AB. Then we have this what AB we are getting, no. Then AC, then let us put AC here. So AC, then AB, then AC. So some sequence are very easy, some sequence are a little bit on a tougher type. So this one is A, obviously we are putting A. Then again second one we are putting A. So we know that this is our answer. So this is how we do all these questions. Okay.